Alright, so not too long ago, I picked up a $5 fuel cap as seen right here. I got this on Amazon, and this actually fits more than just, Hondas, all types of different cars. It's kind of like a generic gas cap. So for $5, I figured why not give it a shot to see if it will get rid of the code I was having. I had a code for evap systems in the fuel tank area, some type of leak in the fuel tank area. It said, don't know the code number exactly right now, but I figured, to research, this code, and I found out that this can be caused by a worn gas cap or, a non-OEM gas cap. So went on Amazon, I saw this one, it had really good reviews. I went ahead and bought it, and after about 75 miles of driving, give or take, the code went away. So I can say it does work, at least for my '03 Honda Pilot. Now, if you're buying this on Amazon like I did, you want to make sure you put your vehicle information in to make sure it does fit. So here is the old gas cap. It looks fine, honestly. It's just, worn and used. I didn't really understand, what was wrong with this exactly, but when I put the new one in, it worked fine. So, yeah, so I definitely recommend this product.